So what is up guys, today we're gonna boost up our performance with our GPU. So let's get started. The application we're gonna use is MS Afterburner, which comes in a zip file and should be extracted to .exe, which comes within all that file. This is very easy, you can do it, and the installation is also very easy. Okay, so wait till I install it. So I'll install it and tell the major things about it. Okay, so I'll come when it's done. So the installation looks like this, so wait till I install it. And also main thing, you should enable this, which is a very good application. So yes, so you should enable this, which I'm going to talk about later. And there's a main thing called River Tuner, which helps us to see out all the things over here, the panels, CPUs, and so. So I'm extracting CPU at the same time. And you can use also NVIDIA. You can also use alternate too. Okay, alternate like NVIDIA Inspector if you want. The tutorial of NVIDIA Inspector 2. I will do it, so let me wait for a while. So this is the install you should use, which is very important. Most of people miss it by doing X, the closing button, and this you get welcome to River. Next, wait till I install it. Okay, the installation is same like everything. So the install is finished on River Tuner, so let me finish. And this is also finished to MS Afterburner, so I'm gonna disable storage me and run MS Afterburner. So sorry, because I have to establish server. I don't care, I don't need updates. So this is the basic thing. I'm using a GT 710 graphics card. It's running 50 degrees Celsius. I don't know how is that happening, but see, we have 953 megahertz, 800 megahertz memory clock, 953 megahertz GPU clock. So you have to do is just search for your configuration of your search the configuration of your graphics card, and then you can use this very well. So the CPU fan speed, if you leave it go up like this, it's going to damage your will damage, I think, but this MSL Afterburner is a very safe overclocking tool. So yeah, so I will just put it now to in 0. I'll just reset it by using this. And memory clock, you should search for your graphics card and see what people does to your GPU, like GT 710. The basic clock we're gonna do is plus, I think 225, 250, I guess, but it depends. Okay, I used I think like GTX 1050 will go more than this. So, and you should put your fan speed above like that. So, and that's it. You go to settings, GP1, blah blah, you get some kind of thing, and OSD, which is good. And yes, I think that's it. So this is the software for boosting up your performance of your GPU. So never go up like this, but it will eventually crash. Your driver will crash if you go up like this. So hope you guys like this video and subscribe. And yes, we forgot one thing too, River Tuner. So let me execute the River Tuner setup. Sorry, River Tuner app. So this is the app we're gonna use for measuring FPS, and so you can start with Windows. I'll enable that. So on screen display zoom. Okay, and you can do anything like reading, and you get a frame rate limit. And if you go to setup, that's something, and if you go to user interface, you change the user interface like if you want a brief, brief or walkthrough about this, let me know in the comments. So this is a very useful tool, and stuff. So yes, hope you guys like this video, and there are more this content, like this skill content, and subscribe for more of this content. I said subscribe for this more content like 2 times. So, and hit the like button, share it if you want to help your friend out, and yes, like, share, subscribe, comment if you have any problems. So if you burn out your GPU, I'm warning you now, okay? If you burn out your GPU, please check out your graphics card boost clock, how much it will be overclocked. So hope you guys like this video, and peace out.